fix if iPhone calendar not syncing on your new iPhone 15 or any other iPhone. And the issue to fix, the first workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID iCloud profile icon, and here choose iCloud, and here go to apps using cloud section and tap on show all, and here look for calendar and calendar, both should be enabled, turn on, and also calendar app also should be enabled mode. So you must ensure first and enable this. Thereafter go to back, and one more thing, you must ensure that your Apple ID and your apps ID both should be on the same ID, login with same ID, iCloud calendar and your Apple ID should be same ID. The next workaround to fix this issue is, again go to settings back page side and tap on general, and here choose date and time, and make sure that set automatically toggle is duly turned on. The next one is, again go to settings homepage settings and choose general and tap on software update and update your iPhone with latest iOS update. It may be a cause of iPhone calendar not syncing on your iPhone. That's all.